Hello to everybody, this is Narad here. Little Genius recently took part in an online robot competition that was held in Hungary. Actually, robot driving is the key to winning this game. Although it appears easier in the video, it was not. A small inaccuracy acts as an even clearly causes the robot to become uncontrollable. However, this robot is in good hands, so don't worry. This robot was designed by the smart adolescent Elian to complete all the tasks required of it. So let's meet him now.
Greetings everyone, my name is Elian and I currently just turned 15. I've been learning at Little Genius for about 5 months and I would say that it's a massive improvement for me. As a kid, I've always liked building and innovating new things, so my dream was to become a scientist or innovator of some sort. Here at Little Genius, it's easier to learn because there's a good student-to-teacher ratio and the teachers really give a lot of specific guided learning and feedback so that you can improve on skills that you want to learn. I recently participated in a LEGO engineering challenge organized by WRO in Hungary, and the tasks were to pick up 3 origami animals and deposit them in the lake, and pick up a LEGO toy and deposit them on a cup, and pick up 3 boulders, which were like paper balls, and deposit them on the river stream and to go back to the starting position. Let's take a look at the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it.